you come in? It's raining, huh? Sunday, I know. I'm sorry. Come on in. Come. You can help me with my homework. Come. You guys are coming. It's raining hard, huh? Wanna do the rain door? Here. Okay, let's do the rain door. Let's go do the rain door. Okay. Go in the rain door, pee. Yeah, it's not that bad. It was a lot worse earlier. Everybody gonna go pee out there? I don't know what you're doing. Do you wanna go pee out there? Yeah, everybody's got to go pee before Mama's got to go to school. Daddy's gonna be home in about half an hour for lunch already, but let's go get you out now. Man, my plant has little green stuff on it already. Wow. Oh yeah, my plants are already coming back. Early spring. She's peeing over there. Rooney! Ooh, I see a box over there. Huh. Okay, looks like everybody went pee. Come on! Come on, let's go! We'll have pug snacks in the house. Come! Rooney! Rooney's confused. Can't find the door. Come on, this is not the door. Come on, we're going this way. This is the door. Are you gonna pee one more time? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Pug snacks. Come, Mama needs to go to school. Come. Come, Bruno. Come on, everybody come in. Come. Come. There we go. Good boys. Yes, good boy. Okay, yes, roundies. I don't know if you're gonna get a woo-woo. We're gonna try. We'll try to get a woo-woo before Mama goes to school. Well, it looks like she's got to mop the floor very quick too before she goes to school. Okay, hold on. I got it. Round, 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 round. Round, 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 round. Okay. Okay. Yes, Mama's got to get the box, and you guys stay in here. I'm not chasing you, especially not in the rain. So hold on. Okay. Looks like I got the box in without you guys running away. Yep. Very nice. A box of hats. My friend gave me some to try out, and I did give them away in the giveaway. If you want to find out what giveaways are, they're usually posted in the post. We are going to have a meet and greet on May 20th at the Pugfest, and I will have some of these hats ready for giveaways and other things, but I'm gonna have some of these hats. I think I'm gonna make some up and also offer them for the Pug Rescue, so they can sell them and make some money or auction them, whatever they want to do. I'm gonna contact my contact there and ask her what she wants to do. If she wants her logo, my logo, or anything non-specific. And these guys. Yes, I know. You know Mama is gonna go. I know Mama is doing other stuff instead of going. Yes, she should be going. Yes, she should be going. She should be going. So yeah, since the hats came out so good, I decided to order some. So we'll see.